Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are having a great day. To those of you who are new here, I'm Naomi and I post art related videos every week. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys some very simple and unique kind of painting techniques, and it doesn't require any fancy equipment or fancy products. You just require some baking soda and some acrylic paint. So if you want to know how I did this, please keep watching. So this DIY is quite simple and fun because you can turn any of your boring household items into ceramic looking object. All you need is some paint and baking soda. You can either use latex paint or acrylic paint. I'm using a mixture of both. So first, I mixed my colors till I was satisfied with the shade and then added the baking soda. Keep adding till you are happy with the consistency. It should be a little thick and gritty. Once it dries, it should give a ceramic or a clay finish. So I painted this old plastic vase. I gave it 2 coats till I was happy with the texture. I also had this glass bottle lying around, so I painted it too and later spray painted the bottom gold. With the hemp rope, I cut 3 equal strands and braided it and later stuck it to the neck of the bottle. For this DIY, I used a canvas, and as you can see, I've already drawn out my design. You're going to need any type of liquid glue and the acrylic colors of your choice. To make the acrylic pour, you're going to mix the glue and paint in a 1:1 ratio, and if it's a little too thick, add some water. Mix it well. I'm using these old dishwashing liquid soap bottles, but if you have squeezy bottles, please go ahead and use that. After I had all my colors mixed, I painted the background with the white paint first. And then I started pouring the colors on the canvas. My bottles had a wider mouth so the paint looks a little blobby, so try to get it as fine as you can. If there's any unwanted paint drops, just take a brush and wipe it off. I used black, white, pink and gold. Next, you're going to take a ball chain and place it right on the border of the design and pull. Now keep repeating these steps. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!